diving with less equipment, exploring the ocean in one breath, swimming with sea creatures. Welcome to the free diving world. Free diving will give you that sense of peace, freedom, and happiness. That beautiful moment when you dive into the deep blue water, flying underwater, the feeling of becoming a sea creature, and enjoying the true wonders of the underwater world. Universe, welcome to another travel free diving vlog. This is Shyla Seashells once again, and I am with my friend Lyra, and this is her first time to visit the Apo Reef Natural Park, which is the first or the largest here in the Philippines. So this is one of my favorite places, my hobby place. We're traveling for almost 14 hours. 3 hours from Manila to Batangas, Batangas to Abra de Ilog via Roro, and Abra de Ilog going to Sablayan for another 3 hours, and Sablayan going to Apo Reef Natural Park, which is for almost 4 hours. So that's a very long trip. So, but all we have to do is enjoy this beautiful place. So we are so lucky to have this kind of place here in the Philippines. Let's go! Apo Reef Natural Park, situated between Occidental Mindoro and Coron, Palawan, and considered the world's second largest contiguous coral reef system and is the largest in the Philippines, is one of the best and most popular dive sites in the country.
Freediving makes you realize how small you are really in this huge world, and it makes everything quiet, especially your mind. If you're like stressed out, to go free diving and everything. So good. That's it.
Nag-freedive ako kasi first dito nawawala yung yung problem ko, nakaka-escape ako sa real world. Second, alam niyo na na na-stress ka sa work sa Metro Manila. So, pag alam mo yung nasa ilalim ka ng dagat, nawawala eh. yung minsan yung kailangan mo ng silence minsan na natatagpuan mo talaga sa ilalim ng dagat. Actually, silence and peace. Yun yung importante sa akin eh. And third, kaya ako nag-free dive kasi dito ako nakakilala ng second family. Alam mo yun na hindi mo kaakalain na sila yung magpapakilala sa free diving na mo kahit yung wala kayo sa dagat sama-sama pa rin at mararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal ng mga kasama mo sa free diving. Kaya love na love ko talaga ang free diving.
Why do I love free diving? Well, honestly, at first, I was scared and I was petrified. But right now, I'm happy and it's so fun. So, what's not to love in free diving? So, love it.
Diving kasi ano siya, isang parang sport na makaka-relax ka talaga. Ito yung feeling na hindi mo mararamdaman kapag nag-hiking ka lang or travel ka lang. Kasi pag nasa ilalim ka ng dagat, feeling mo sobrang relaxing, di ba? Tsaka ito yung hindi nakikita ng iba na sobrang laki pala ng dagat na kala mo, ayun lang, sobrang steady niya lang. Pero kapag talagang nakita mo yung dagat, ang dami mong features na hindi pa nakikita. Sobrang solid. Talagang you better try free diving talaga. Okay? Pero ito, i-vlog ko lang yung YouTube channel ko. Subscribe kayo sa Jolo Fausto.
last day and it's 7:38 in the morning. So third and last day we're in Apo Reef Natural Park. And we're off to Pandan Island. Lyra! Hey, Kuya! Later guys! my video, we're here at Abra de Ilog Port. So we're off to Batangas Port. That's gonna be for 3 hours via Montenegro lines. I just wanted to say that this is an amazing trip with free diving coaches of Asia, with other free divers. And also, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit subscribe and like until our next free diving adventure. Thank you and ja matane!